Hi everyone! Today we are unboxing and testing the WACOM One pen. WACOM is a special company since it is the inventor of the EMR technology for batteryless writing on digital screens, including those with e-ink technology. So let's see what this stylus made in China but designed by the manufacturer of the technology is worth. So a fairly simple box that contains the stylus and a warranty notices. The stylus itself is in a kind of a protective disposable fabric. It is all in roundness, rather long, bicolor, black and white, plastic in a soft texture for the grip. A rather well-done design with a shell shape at the main level. This will make maybe gripping a little easier, just like on the HP stylus. The stylus also has a side button, but no eraser at the end. We will also find in the box a small bag that contains 3 replacement nibs, but no tools to remove them from the stylus or to put them in place. Small precision for those who would find in-store in front of the box. The stylus is exactly at the scale of the photo, so you can make an idea before you buy. The weight of the stylus, we are on 11 grams, which classifies it rather in the light stylus, with a total length of 15 centimeters, which is rather long. With soft touch, this makes it a rather pleasant stylus to hold. The diameter of the stylus body is 9.7 millimeters and increases at the end with its oblong shape to 11.3 millimeters. The nibs are of a standard ONYX Classic or Remarkable or LAMY or HP format. They can be changed easily, but it is much better to have the small ring-shaped clip tweezer, which is not provided here. Here I put, for example, a white pencil that I like very much, provided with HP ZBook X2 stylus, but I believe in fact that these are nibs manufactured by WACOM that HP resells, so as you see it works very well. And now some writing tests. I let you listen to the sound and the friction produced when writing, first on a Remarkable 2. Small friction with the original nibs, it does not slip, the stylus is quite precise. A pleasant grip, the button, which is not supported here by the Remarkable 2, falls quite well under the finger with my grip. A precise pressure management, neither too light nor too heavy. Let's compare the friction and precision with the Remarkable Marker Plus pen. Sensibly similar in precision, the Marker Plus rubs a little more. The Jumbo STAEDTLER is, in my opinion, more precise, but the writing feeling is totally different. The nibs glides without friction. And for example, the LAMY will also be very precise, but need more pressure to thicken the lines. I come back to the WACOM, which on the Remarkable 2 is going to be a very good compromise, in my opinion. Now let's move on a different and more slippery surface, that of the ONYX BOOX Note Air. Less friction, but still a good feeling. Here the side button works. A precise touch, quite identical to the original Boox pen supplied with the Note Air. It's noticeable by manipulating that the WACOM does not make any clicking noises that can be found in other styluses, such as the Jumbo, for example. We always have with the Note Air a fairly good and pleasant sensitivity to pressure. Much better, for example, than with the original Boox pen, where I find it very difficult here to make fine lines. Even with the very good STAEDTLER Jumbo with fine nib, it's still more complicated here than with the WACOM. With the LAMY, I also managed to have a fairly good precision in my line pressure management. Here's a Remarkable Marker Plus. And the HP ZBook X2 with a white nib, very nice, but clearly still a little below the WACOM on the fineness of the strokes I can do. Finally, WACOM One that also does really well on a slippery surface like the Note Air. That's it for this video presentation of the WACOM One pen. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you liked, and if you want to see more tests and presentations, see you soon for the next video.